Give Baba some French fries.
So only here in Philippines I like the most this one. This is McFlurry. Float.
Float.
McFloat. This is the best drink over here. I wish this is also available in Dubai.
Yeah, there's no. Baba, your chinky girl.
Yes.
Just giving you.
Thank you.
Yum, yum, yum.
6th of December, and this is a gift from my mama. She is my driver today. Because what is Hamza, 6th of December? What is the special day for about this one? Wow, so where is my greetings?
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you so much. So where are we going right now?
Play with her. Chinky, I registered you for Scout.
What is that?
Study Scout.
She will be scout?
No registration, only the teachers. Because we still they cannot have activities. It's good actually if ever like that.
Wait, mama, wait. I did not tell you. Yes, guys, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, Olivia, Hannah, she is standby. So, first, your rules, how you are going to start right now. You have to first start with a prayer. Traveling prayer. Subhanallazina sakralana haza wa ma kunna lahu munkarinin wa inna la rabbina la munqalibun. Okay, then you will check your shoulder and the mirror and this backside mirror. Okay, then you know that on the right side there is small, we have the cutted tree part. So say Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Yes, okay, it's okay, no need to go back, just only turn half steering to the left. Okay, just check the shoulder, only half steering, not full. Okay, that's it, very good. Yeah, that's it. Yes. Make yourself comfortable. This is a bike. Yeah. Hamza, can you please reduce your volume, please? Thank you. So guys, today is 6th of December and this is a gift from my mama. She is my driver today. So what is Hamza, 6th of December? What is the special day for about this one? Wow, so where is my greetings?
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you so much. So where are we going right now? Hey Hamza, where are we going? Hamza, I'm asking you. Do you have any idea where we are going? What do you want the treat on Baba birthday? Hamza, what do you want to eat? Come this side here in the middle. I cannot see you. The camera cannot see you. McDonald's? You wanna have McDonald's today? Okay, we are going there. So Mama, she is our driver today, and we just left from the home from Flores all the way heading towards Binalonan McDonald. So this is the first time Mama, she will drive all this way. When this guy is coming, you know how to put the dipper, the flasher. Yeah, you have to pull towards your face. Just try one time and you will see the flasher sign on your cluster screen.
And then this one.
You saw it? Yeah. So that's the indication. So whenever somebody is approaching you face to face, like this one, so you have to be steady. At 7-Eleven will be blocked, so we will go straight. So any intersection or interchange wherever is there, once you will approach, no, just before will slow down. Just take your feet from the acceleration just while you are approaching there. Okay, you will saw left first, then right. If the exit is clear, you can go ahead. Now it's clear. Keep continue. So that always you have to follow. And be always attentive, because from one side you are not same like driving in the highway as in Dubai or UAE, because there will be so many people banging you because of highway traffic, because everybody he knows that. But here internally especially, you have to monitor and concentrate only on your vehicle. Forget about the way how they are driving here is totally different. You are, yeah, slowly and steady, and be calm and confident. That's it. Don't think that somebody is coming you from backside, he will bang you. He knows that you are driving according to your mark, and he or whoever is behind you. Now slow down. Yes, because they are not following this rule, so you have to be careful. They will just go like literally like a donkey. They will not even, but you have to follow the rules. Because mostly tri-bike, they don't have driving lessons, right? So they are just like this. They don't bother. Even when they are stopping on the T junction and they are turning to left, they are not following, because left when you will go, you have to stop. Rather than they are not left, they are doing X like this. So you will go left and then to you like this way, like a L. But they are going like vertical lines. Now here once you will go, give the indicator to right, slow down, check your first left side. See that motorbike is coming, he's good, he's giving indicator. You have free to go to right. Right always is actually your priority, but here you never know how the people they are approaching. They are not following again the rules.
Yeah.
So you have to be all the time 100% attentive. And for God bidden, you are driving calmly, and I am sure there no one is rushing this traffic. For God bidden, if there is hit or small, you are safe. Only car minor scratch or dent, don't care. Don't think about this car hit. When something is bad is coming, it will happen. But from your side, you have to keep focusing as maximum how you can protect and save yourself. If you are a first time comer here, just maintain your speed 40, 50 in between this one, you can do it. Depends upon, yeah, it's okay when you will cross that interchange. Now here internally, still we are internal inside straight, you can maintain 30, 35, below 40 is fine. And if you don't bother, somebody is approaching you, you can monitor here also backside. I'll put this backside here. You have always that side mirror or side line, and then you never know on your extremes left, which is next to your shoulder, that is blind shoulder always guard, because you will not see in that mirror, or nor you will see, nor here in the mirror you see only approaching how the pupil is from backside. And then right, this is the clearance on your right shoulder. So always you have to, even the road is clear, but as a driver it's obligatory and mandatory for you, you just monitor all these three spots. Now this is like a checkpoint, so once you are approaching, you know that there is no one is car, only one bike is coming. Bike, it will go under that from their right side, so you will slow down. Now slow down. Okay, he's supposed not to come over here now. Okay, very good. Just go to the left. You are too much close here. Yes, slightly. It doesn't need to be turn your steering to up to. It's not because when you are rolling your car, your minor left and right will make a big difference.
Okay.
It doesn't need to be rotate like even just slightly, just few centimeters, because you are running. So when you are running, its impact of movement of left and right is more. When you are stopping the car, it's different. And I mean, when you are stop the car and left and right, you are turning, the movement of your left and right will be different. Then you have to turn the steering properly in the right angle, like quarter, half turn or full. But while when you are going now, see when you are running on 40, you will see how fast is left and right.
Yeah. Kasi making the definition na lang.
Yeah, that's you have to always observe. But the good thing, your line discipline is maintaining. That's the best thing is good. Your right side distance is good. So I mean, you're judging the car, the judgment how you are following this track. That is excellent. That's the best thing. And your steering, how you are holding. That's is no, this okay. Not same like typical this. You remember this Indian people like this. Too much care as the steering will be somebody will thief. Just calm, steady. And I will advise you like this one in the beginning, no need even to take your overtake unless it's really necessary. Otherwise, like this one, you are going smoothly, like peace of mind. As long as you are not using your feet for walking in the car. Just slow down because he's trying someone else on left or right to overtake. Availability of other vehicle, right? So once you will approach, then there is two possibility. Either on your own speed what you have right now, which is consensus speed, you can overtake or not. If not, two options again. Either you stay behind him, reduce your speed in advance, or if you have a chance to overtake, put the indicator towards left, give the headlight beam to alert the other car if ever is approaching you from ahead. Okay, then overtake it. This is the proper and right way to overtake. But unless if you cannot do it, just keep a gap. Don't go too much close to him and then stop the car. No, just maintain the same speed of your ahead car, maintaining the same gap. So now this is a rough road there. You have to slow down in advance. Slow down now. Okay, be steady because I want you to observe the left line. Okay, just slow down because now you don't have the chance because this is very slow because it's like you don't want to smash your car. Slowly, steady, yes, like that. Very good. I don't know when they will repair this point. It's very dangerous because it's already slightly curved and you cannot see the front vision at all. Now it's almost like 20-meter distance. 15 to 20 always you have to maintain. Don't approach too much close to them. And watch now this woman riding on a bike. Yeah, so you can give slightly horn also. So she is alert because she doesn't know there is car is approaching from her left. Always make your habit. Because she doesn't know. So by accidentally she just turn here right, left, she will hit you. Watch this motorcycle. Slow. Okay, very good. But in this case, you have to alert this backside because you never know somebody will bang you from left. Okay, go. Now slow down. Okay, take your time, Jala. Give the horn. Like this, you are not using this one. Give the horn. Like this, you are not using this one. Use this one. You have to alert the other people. Wherever this uneven surface is coming, yes, you have to slow your always vehicle. We have to go left, so keep your left line. Approach the signal and give your left indicator. Slow down, you are approaching. Why your speed is ahead? Don't make your habit to apply the brake on the maximum friction. You can reduce. You know that you cannot go ahead. Now you stop it. You should see this line. Front, stop it. Now why moving? You have to see your zebra crossing line ahead you. Always. Because this is wrong, he stop. And this motorbike is exactly stopping on the line of zebra crossing. No. Your vision of eyes that the zebra crossing line should be visible. Always, your while you are stopping, your hand should be steering. You are in the deep. Okay, now. Okay, left. Just approach this one because this one is the wrong left. Slowly and steady left. Try to go slow because we have to take the right. Put the right indicator. Slow the car. Slow. Stop it because where is the? This man is. Yes, you have to make sure that this man is. Go. Okay, slow the car. Okay, now slower, more slower. Your car is ahead. Slower.
5 na 3.
Okay, very good. Keep on your left because keep on your left. Your still stop it. Your steering, especially when you have you are going in steady, you have to keep practice more. Keep the distance. You are still new driver. You doesn't know what he will do or she will do in the front.
Got you older.
Yes, guys, we are here now in McDonald's. Just for check. Yes, guys, we are here now in McDonald's. Just for check. Yes. As usual.
Nuggets.
Yes, I think I have to change one more ignition coil. Steering now is different. We are not driving. Okay, we have to just like that. Yeah, sometimes.
What is this one? Chicken. McFloat.
Okay po. Kapag may isang day, kung kumuha ka na,
Ayun lang.
okay po. Dalawang order ng chicken nuggets, tapos dalawang size ng Coke.
Thank you.
Guys, just remain steady. Slowly and steady.
Lahat may pansit ito. Ibaba some french fries.
So only here in Philippines, I like the most this one. This is McFury. Float.
McFloat.
McFloat.
Ibaba some french fries.
So only here in Philippines, I like the most this one. This is McFury. Float.
McFloat.
McFloat. This is the best drink over here. I wish this is also available in Dubai.
Yeah, there's no.
If you want it, then you have to go all the way, turn to right. Okay, then reverse parking.
Oh, but this is very.
It's okay. Try. You can do it. Put it on the day. First, turn your. Don't move your car. Completely right turn. Full right. Full right. Okay. Now release your gas. Release your brake. Sorry. And you have to monitor. Go because there is a steep only. It's okay. It's fine.
Then,
And you have to monitor this left also. Just stop your car.
then,
Just stop your car. You have to make sure this clear. You want to bang this one? Okay, now go straight. Just make your steering straight now. Stop it. Make your steering straight and stop it. I said. Now reverse. Observe this one. Okay. You see that the parking line left. Slowly steady. Slowly and steady. Yes. Observe your axle. The grip of the car on this one. Yes. Very good. Keep go. Keep watching this one. Steady. Slow. Steady. Just cross. Stop. Just come. Put it on the parking. Now go outside and check how you are parking. So it will give you better go outside and check how you park. So it will give you the confidence.
okay.
Very good. I know that you have parked good, but for yourself, you will see and come to know how did you able to park, how you had parked.
Differential sa baba na.
It's very bad. It's very bad.
Yung tissue. Hindi, baba, Catching tigal.
Yes.
Just giving you.
Thank you.
Yum.
Go to the. I will open. Just go straight to near to the door. Yes, very good. Stop it. Very good. Stop it. Very good. And I teach you this one how you will observe.
Ay!
So Alhamdulillah, it's our potential day. So at least I'm glad and I'm happy that my wife, she had drove all the way from our home San Manuel to Binalonan to Urdaneta to Velasquez. Then in between I had drove the car, but mostly she had drove. So Alhamdulillah, I'm happy so much. So wish you all the best, stay blessed and healthy.